So we made a little tiny aquatic kind of little situation, so that some habitat is created for these millipedes. The first step is you find some container that doesn't have a hole at the bottom, so that you can and some hollow you find in the garden, and then some appropriate place, and then you place that water bowl. Mud is the best one according to me. If you can't get, you can use other things, and then fill it up with some little bit of sand and little bit mud and all, and add a few aquatic plants. We've added one of that grass, and then that Lindernia antipoda, that one. Then one more plant. This one is either Rotola or Amania, that one. So like that you make a few of the aquatic, and add a couple of Camelina also there, which can survive in this much water. And then you surround it with some pieces of wood and all, because these millipedes like to eat the dead wood and all. And then give plenty of little stones and rocks and all around it, so that they can make crevices and go underneath and settle there. Now these millipedes, what I noticed, they need constant moisture and plenty of shade also. In the daytime they can't tolerate this bright sunshine and dryness and dry winds and all that. So if the weather gets very dry, then they go underneath there and they kind of hibernate off. They go dormant, and then so towards the beginning of the summer, when the rainy season is over, they'll hole up in places like that, and they'll curl up and wait till the monsoon comes. They'll also lay their eggs and all, so that underneath, so that as soon as the monsoon starts and the moisture content in the air and all improves, if summer showers come, those little this much long, they'll be 50, 100 and all, they'll come out and they start foraging around here, and then in the daytime they'll go back and hide underneath. So habitat is created for millipedes, scorpions, and earthworms, snails, all little under the ground dwelling creatures, as well as little birds can come and have a little bath here and refresh themselves, drink some water. Butterflies, bees, all need water. So in a small garden you can have a small one like this. If it's a bigger garden, you can make many of them. So I'm trying out various options, and this is one of the things that looks successful, because the millipedes of our garden have started coming and hanging out here. You saw already. So by next year, all this would have settled down, and then underneath the pot will be moist and nice. They'll go and hibernate there. Little snakes also can hide in these kind of places. So these little niches are important in these biodiversity gardens. You don't have to spend a huge amount of money. This kind of thing you get for some 200, 400 rupees and all you get, depending on the shop and all. This bowl, these are plants and all. I mean, one can look around in the wet areas. So many species are there, like that Ludwigia and some of the that Camelina. Numerous groups of plants are there, cyperus and all. So all them you can plunk once a week. When the water evaporates, you can add a little water. That's all. There's no maintenance as such. And then I'm making a kind of a place here for walking. We have left this place, and then at the borders we have kept wooden dead wood pieces and all like that, boundary. Even here because this also provides very good habitat in this kind of place and all. They'll go and hide and they get their food and all. And then these wood pieces, they also produce these mushrooms and all. So that also these millipedes and all eat. So these water bodies are very important. Anyone who is interested in gardening and all can place a few like this, and it provides sustenance for numerous creatures. They all need water, moisture, and their habitats to breed, comfort zones. So this area, now this surrounding almost quarter acre can be taken care by this one. They'll come and slowly search and find this place and stay underneath and go out and forage and all that and do their life.